you go, Kevin?
Over here.
Oh, okay. I should have been on the couch.
Oh my God.
Oh, you're in the room? It sounds like you're on the couch.
Hello? Oh, snap.
He's getting out of the car.
Camera?
Doors are
Yep,
shut.
camera's rolling.
He's walking towards the house.
I'm gonna say go, go, go when it's time to go, okay?
He's going back to the car. Going around the car. He doesn't walk through the grass, he takes the sidewalk. He's out of my vision.
Very skeleton view. Go, go, go.
Surprise!
Pie you have done yet. I would like a towel, please. Unless there's another one coming. My face is presented if you want to shoot another one at me.
I think that was funnier without seeing it.
I don't think
And I was
got it.
just
I think you
thanking
got
God
around the corner
for
before
beautiful
I got
evening.
around it.
Need a towel for crying out loud.
Dave, what flavor is the pie? Are you able to tell?
It tastes suspiciously like whipped cream.
Should I take this for you?
Yeah, thanks. Oh, I was right.
No, this is real pie. Look at the floor.
Yeah, that we went all out this time.
Yeah.
There's.
Oh my gosh.
I heard it. I don't think I got it though, because I didn't see it and I wasn't around the corner in
Really?
time. So.
How did your side of the thing go?
My gosh, my
Dave.
contacts are cloudy. That's awesome.
Dave, what was going through your mind when Glenn came out in the suit?
Suit. I was literally. This is the order of the thought. It was. That man's wearing a suit. It's not Mark. It's Glenn. Why is Glenn wearing a suit? This is a surprise party. There will be a pie. All right.
You get him straight in the face?
Yeah, he did.
He was still looking at Glenn when I came around. I was just like, Dave! He turned perfectly in range.
It always stands to reason I would be the first successful pieing ever because I was a double agent in the Peanut Wars.
So you deserve this.
Oh, it was an apple pie. Well, my vision is starting to clear up a little bit. Yeah. Oh, that was thank you.
You wouldn't mind cleaning it.
Thank you.
Oh, no.
Thank you for the pie. That was. I mean, look at that.
Can I wash my face first?
There was some force behind that.
That was a massive pieing.
I'll get you paper towel and stuff. Here, you guys start cleaning this up. Throw it, just grab like that trash. Just chuck stuff in there if you want. Alright. Clean off the door.
Yeah, I think that was a good one. I'm sad I missed it.